Hello YouTube, this is my Irwin Drill Press Vise. Okay, I went to the cheap store and they had these for $16.99. This was $19.99, so we spent $3 more. We got a little better fit and finish. A little bit better fit and finish on the vise. How it's made, how this looks. They're almost the same size and look, except when it comes to the finish of it. We're going to try to invent a way on here in a future video to make this vise slide in and out of a holder. Kind of hard to explain. We want a way to make this vise go in and out. Say I want to drill 4 holes in a corner. You can manipulate it like this, like that. See, and go over here, manipulate it, or like that. But we want a way to slide this vise in and out. Maybe out to the edge of the table, or maybe even a little bit past. So that's going to be one of our inventions coming up. Okay, I'll take some pictures of the box. We're still testing our camera here. Learning how to take telemacro shots. I got an automatic, so when I get in close to take a picture, it does that. As far as zoom, you only get so much zoom. It says 4 times. If you do play with the zoom on this camera, you can zoom more. If you start zooming first and then start recording, you can zoom further, but then that goes into digital and screening. I already tried it outside, but there we go. We'll get the close-up shot. We're using the light from outside plus the lamps in here. There you go. I think that about covers that. I'll get a good look at it. Make real short videos here as we're still doing all this testing and everything with the new Canon. It's an A1400 power shot camera. So thanks for watching this short little video.